Welcome to Playable Craft. Today we are going to look at a new template. Click on the template and click on the Use Template button. Then enter the project name and click on Create Project. Then the editor will be opened. On the right side, we can see the editor of properties that can be editable like game elements, char model, obstacle model, level image, and in game properties we have grid, level row, level column, game duration, idle hint duration, char scale. In the next section we have audios like tap sound, shot sound, alert sound, wrong sound, background sound. In the next section we have UI, like hand sprite, background image. In the section we have click to action button. There we have Android link, iOS link icon, text, play button. Let's play the game to see the mechanics. After playing the game, let's start editing. To change the game image, click on the level image option and select the image you want. Let's click on the cat here and see the baby elephant has been replaced with the cat. Let's change it again to Einstein. And we can also change the grid number, and let's change the level row and columns, game duration. The idle hint duration is also editable. And let's change the tutorial hand to another hand. In the next section, we can place the call to action button links and end card logo and buttons. After changing everything to your liking, click on the Save button and hit the Export button after selecting your export type. After successfully exporting download, enjoy your playable ad. Done with no code and no effort.